Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Z-bar. Z-bars are incredibly versatile, interlocking aluminum extrusions designed for securely hanging panels. They create a robust, hidden hanging system, perfect for various applications from artwork to cabinetry. Their clever design allows for straightforward installation and removal of wall panels, making adjustments simple. Plus, Z-bars distribute weight evenly across the mounting surface, providing exceptional stability and peace of mind for your projects. Selecting the correct Z-bar is crucial for a successful project. You'll want to choose your Z-bars based on the weight and dimensions of your panel, ensuring adequate support. Standard lengths typically range from 2 feet to 12 feet, offering flexibility for different panel sizes. Also, consider the offset distance required for your specific project, as this affects how far your panel stands from the wall. Remember, heavy-duty Z-bars can support hundreds of pounds per linear foot. Installing Z-bars is a straightforward process. First, secure one Z-bar to the wall, making sure it is perfectly level for a professional finish. Next, mount the second Z-bar to the back of your panel, ensuring it faces downwards to interlock correctly. Always use appropriate fasteners, such as screws or bolts, for both pieces to guarantee a secure hold. Finally, carefully lift your panel and engage its Z-bar with the wall-mounted Z-bar, letting it settle into place. For the best results, always use a level to ensure precise and straight installations, which is key for a clean look. Pre-drilling pilot holes is highly recommended to prevent wood splitting and ensure proper screw seating, enhancing durability. For very heavy panels, consider using multiple Z-bar sections spaced appropriately to distribute the load even further. Most importantly, always ensure the Z-bars are fully engaged for maximum security and stability of your hung items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.